So first, make sure that you run this thing as administrator. Uncheck FileZilla, Mercury Email Server, Tomcat, Perl, Webalizer. I don't need these. I don't want the FTP server because I can deal with it locally, managing the files, that is. Mercury Mail Server, I don't need and I don't need to send mail. This fake sender is all I need just to make sure that the communications are going out. Tomcat, I forget what that is, but oh, Java, but I don't need that. I also don't need Perl. PHPMyAdmin is to manage the database, and I already said what fake does. So put it in this directory, no other directory, to make sure that we don't run into UAC issues. English is what I want. I don't care about these other packages because it's a lot easier and a lot faster to do it ourselves rather than this tool. This tool is actually not very good at all. You know, it's plug and play, but you can only get one instance of WordPress. And in my case, I want many instances of WordPress, and I'm lucky enough to, I've spent enough time to know how to properly use it.